Let's go over the trades on the day. Copper was the highlight of the day. And so copper breakout captured this move right here. These are 4 contract trades. Got in yesterday. This wasn't in the daily report yesterday because we made the video before this last bar. And so it got in, and then it got out in the overnight session for a gain as well. And then copper short, very consistent. Last trade was a loser. But nice trades, longs and shorts winning in copper. That was a highlight. Here are the results on the day, though. Given back yesterday's gains in the 200K, 50K portfolio had 1 trade for minus 1,025. Very hard market in the stock indexes. We'll go over that. 50K portfolio gap continuation in reverse. Got stopped out that move, that low move right there, just right at that low tick. That's very always frustrating when that happens. When it feels like it's just searching for your stop, and as soon as it hits it, it reverses. So the low on that move was 46.78.75, and that's where we were stopped out, and it's made back about 2/3 of those losses just in that short period of time. So always frustrating when that happens. It happens in trading in really choppy days at times, and so those are worst case scenarios. We have worst case and best case scenarios in trading, and so let's look at the rest of the trades. Soybeans, still choppy. It's taking a page from the stock indexes and acting like the NASDAQ, surging at the open, taking out the lows, reversing again. And so Grain State Trader 3 break even, minus 25 per contract. These are 4 contract trades. Grain State Trader 3 2022 stopped out, minus 375 per contract. And you see it stopped it out and then it reversed. And so just wild markets. Silver, no trades. Gold, we had Asia Gold 4 long getting stopped out about 1,025 per contract. Gold reversal getting in on the short side, up about 800 plus per contract. Natural gas, no trades. Crude oil, no trades. NASDAQ only had 1 trade, so NASDAQ wasn't a huge issue. It was down about 800 per contract. Market surged higher, rolled over, and then chopped a lot at the end of the day. And minus 800 per contract on that trailing stop loss. 1 trade on NASDAQ on the 200K portfolio. This was the real killer, was this gap continuation reverse, getting short at the low, and then 60-minute breakout short, also reversing the whole trade and getting short, and then getting stopped out on this move higher. So this little end-of-day bounce, annoying, and one of those days. Tick count trend was a highlight of the day in the ES. All those strategies were losers. So we had 4 trades that bought that, took advantage of the chop, and up about 800 per contract on that. Like I said, gap continuation lost on the day, minus 1,000. 60-minute breakout short. It had 2 trades on the day. Here is an expanded view so you can see the entire day. Just a choppy day overall. You see how wild the open was right here. Right in here, how wild this open was. 60-minute breakout short. Thought the market should have rolled over some more. I think the market should be much lower. I think it's really discounting the truth right now as far as interest rates and inflation. But it will take some time. Unless the Fed pivots again. So if the Fed pivots again, then I think we'll get even more inflation. So we're in a different situation now with inflation. 60-minute breakout short, took that trade and then took that trade, and the market just won't budge on the downside. Big sell-off yesterday. They were going to prop it up today, it looks like, no matter what, and they did. They were able to prop it up. They didn't rally it much, but they kept it from selling further. We have the jobs report tomorrow. Let's look at the other trades. Tick wave, I liked this entry. I did think we were due for a bounce, so we didn't get one. I would have been okay with the bounce too, either way. Big counter trend, and tick wave got in initially up, boom, came down here and stopped out, and then just chopped the rest of the day. So let's look at the rest of the trades. We had after hours and VIX OC dip buying, looking for that bounce after a sell-off, got stopped out. After hours, kind of the same scenario. Got in here, initially a good trade, rolled over, stopped out. It rallied, but back and forth around there. So those are the trades on the day for Thursday, January the 6th. Like I said, jobs report tomorrow, and then we have the weekend. So we'll have the portfolio calculator updated. Basically, the results on the day once again. shown right here, minus 4,000, giving back yesterday's gains, 50K portfolio. These are both at drawdown entry alerts to add to or to start these portfolios. And so I'm looking forward to a trendy day. We've had a very choppy first week so far of January. The Fed minutes came out yesterday. We get jobs report tomorrow. And so maybe we will get a little bit of a trend, accumulation distribution type trend one way or the other. We did get some shorts yesterday, a nice sell-off in stock indexes yesterday. But for the most part, most of the time, the market has been choppy, and all markets have been choppy intraday. So due for some trends, looking for a bounce and a reversal in that equity curve back towards equity peaks.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.